received a message today from a friend. She said that they had dug up all of the new starts coming out this spring from my Blackberry plants that I had given her when we moved from our old home. She asked if we would like some, and I jumped on it. That was one thing I was really sad about leaving, and I'm so grateful that I have some starts from the original plant that belonged to my dad. To transplant them, I dug a hole. I made sure that it was plenty deep and plenty wide. Setting this rocky soil on the edge, I grabbed a shovel full of fresh compost and I sprinkle in some Miracle-Gro fertilizer. And then I top that with some water and kind of mix it up. It was the perfect day to work. The wind was blowing, it was warm, and I had my sheep and my cats, the dogs, to accompany me and keep me company. After I set the plant in, I put some more of the fresh compost on top. Smash it down a little bit. Add a little more water. Then I begin to replace or return the soil that I had taken out. So that I make sure that the plant and the roots are covered well to protect it from the still cold nights that we have, because we're only in early spring. I leave a small ring around the plant to make sure that water doesn't just drain past it, but will stay so that it can soak it in to its roots. Thank you for watching the Herbal Grammy. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave a comment below.